Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to block one ring calls on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, scroll down and find the privacy. Okay, go to privacy. And okay guys, here in privacy, below you can see the harassment and fraud prevention. And harassment and fraud prevention, you can see the block and filter. Okay, go to block and filter. And okay guys, here in block and filter, okay, on the top you can see the block calls. In block calls, okay, set rules to block calls. And okay guys, you all have to do is click the block calls. And now here in block calls, okay, in SIM 1, okay, you can see the block 1 ring calls. And okay guys, on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, if this enable, only apply to unknown numbers. And okay guys, to enable this, okay, you'll have to do is turn on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully blocked one ring calls on Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.